so. Then we can select it, edit, duplicate, make it a nice grey. And if we turn the crop view on, we can then just crop the edges off. There we go, nice and neat. And again, look at the depth now with all the shadowing. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just speed up the video just to finish off the creation of the front door and the rear bifolding doors, because it is just the same sort of process. Okay, now we've got all our windows in, we've got our front door, got our nice bifolds at the rear. Now, I mean, a little bit of misalignment there. Now we just want to finish off, so we've got a nice set of drawings to go on. So let's start with the elevations. So all we really want to do with these elevations now is just align things up. So if we use that door as a guide, we want that window to align with it. Now we're getting a warning upstairs. Great thing about Revit, obviously it's got clash detection. So we just want that to move over 100 mil. Now if you do underlay, really we want to align it with the wall below. So if we just, there we go, spot on. Okay, oh, cancel that. Where are we? Underlay, none. Okay, great. Front elevation, there we are. I mean, that's looking pretty good. Rear, now we want to align things again, so let's align the window with the bifolds, and let's align those windowsills. And we've got a clash there. Oh, I think I've made that window too big. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll just return the wall there. So in reality, that window isn't 2 meters wide. It's probably, what have we got? Yeah, it's probably more 1800. But that's fine for now. We're just demonstrating the principles of Revit. We're not winning any housing design awards. Okay. So we've got our front elevation, rear elevation. Right, we want to do the masking trick again. So annotate, region, filled region. Now we've created a new one, solid grey. Show the crop region and then just crop the edges of that ground plane just so you can see the top lines. And if we just turn that off again, nice. Side elevation. Now with the view, we don't want that section line showing really, so in the view template, if you hit elevation view, you can then override annotation category and turn sections off. Perfect. Now there's nothing to align on the side obviously, so we will just give it a region as we did with the others. Show the crop. Okay, there's our elevations, they're enough done. And then to get the floor plans nailed, we just want to drop a bit of furniture on. So let's see what we've got in by default. Right, not a lot. So we want to go insert, load, no, not group, load family, furniture. Let's load a bed in. A sofa. Let's load a dining table in. Where are we? There we go, that'll do. Let's load a little coffee table in. What else? We'll do the kitchen as line work for ease. Where are we? Sorry, furniture, devices. No, it's no need for the TV really in this instance. Bathroom. Simple bathtub. Toilet pan. And just a small sink. Okay. So now if we go to architecture components, it'll then, all those things I've just loaded in will be available to us. So again, let me just split my screen. Let's get distributing. It's a bit wide. There we go. And then to finish those ends off, I would just use a model line. Set it as thin. Again, the purpose of this is to produce drawings. The modeling doesn't have to be spot on. component. Now notice at the bottom it gives us a short list of the things we've recently dropped in, so pretty handy. I'm just hitting space to change the orientation of the beds. We can then change that to a single, like so. And then if you hit that, if you hit a component and hit CS, it creates similar. Okay, whereas we will just do the shower as line work. Let's keep it simple. Wardrobes, again, you can just pop them in as line work. That only needs to be 600 deep. Standard depth of a wardrobe. So if we use a line, we can then actually bring that down. It increases the size of the bedroom. And even bedside tables, for the purpose of this, we can just drop in as line work. Just for speed, copy that across. CO for copy. Maybe a little bedside there. MV for move. Shove that over there. Okay. It's pretty much the first floor sorted. Let's jump back downstairs. Yeah, again, that section line's just getting in the way a little bit. So VV, annotation, turn your section off. There we go. A little bit easier on the eye. Let's drop some sofas in. Maybe a little coffee table. Again, Revit gives you a good prompt there for a regular saving. Okay, line work. We can form the TV stand, side tables, and even the kitchen. Now, a kitchen counts as 600mm depth, so we just type 600. Then we can actually use pick line, offset 600, TR for trim. Just indicating all the counters. And if we draw a few circles, just indicates the cooker. Again, I'm just trying to be quite quick with it. I'd normally be a bit neater. Select multiple when you're doing multiple copies of something. Just trying to show the drainage board there. Okay, so there's your kitchen. No need for anything fancy modeling wise. Then our dining table component. we just need our toilet downstairs. And there we are. That's the furniture dropped in. Now you'll notice that we did the door as a front door as a window. Just trust me when I say that window families are a lot less temperamental. So what we're going to just do is just draw the door swinging after the fact, like so. We will go into door families and things like that, but again, as I say, this is just a very much a 101. Okay, there we are. Now you'll notice that these are plan and drawings, so there's not a lot of detail on this. So I would actually just change these to coarse detail, just so we're getting the effect of a plan and drawing. Again, we could do that with a view template as well. Take sections off. Okay, nearly done. Then we just want to label our rooms. Probably just set these to 1 to 50 so the text is a bit more of a sensible size. Let's just do name only for now. Kitchen, diner. Lounge. Store. Hallway. WC. First floor. Room. Again, just set it to 1 to 50 just so the text is a bit more of a sensible size. That's an overlap because it's a void with the, obviously with the cut in the floor. Probably call that master. Oh, I just double clicked on that and it took me into the family of the door. Okay, ensuite. Landing. And again, note we didn't pop the rail in earlier. Spare us a bit of modelling. All we do is just catch that with a bit of line work, like so. Okay. And then just to finish, I've just remembered that the front elevation has this projecting element. Now, I won't bore you with another window creation. So what I'll just show you is how to create that extrusion. So if we just drop the sill height to say 400. And then we'll just do an in-place wall. Create extrusion, pick plane. We want to just select the wall we're working on. First, select the outer edges of the window. Then offset, I don't know, say 150, something like that. 200. trim all your line work. Extrusion, you know, is 250mm. And that's how you make your extrusion. For the purpose of the front elevation, you might want to align the head of those windows with the top of that extrusion. That gives you an idea of how to create that thing there. Okay, that's pretty much Revit 101. That should get you cracking.